Welcome. In front of me I have Amazfit Active, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Zap application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me close it and reopen it like this. And once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now you can tap on Profile to open the profile page, and here you should see Amazfit Active on the list of your devices. Tap on it to select it, then scroll down through this page and find the button called Unpair. Tap on it, tap on Unpair, tap on Unpair and wait, then tap on Got It, close the app, open the settings on your iPhone, then tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see the Amazfit Active on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.